it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher at Conservatory of the Ozarks, here today with
Emma.
And Princess Emma in her beautiful purple princess dress is learning about the staff today on page 36 and 37 of the Hal Leonard Level 1 Piano Books, Unit 4. So, Emma, I'm going to ask you some questions.
Yes.
What is this thing here called?
Staves. Or staffs.
Staff. Can you say staff?
Staff.
If you have more than one staff.
It's called staves.
Very nice. How many lines are on a staff?
5.
How many spaces?
4.
And how many types of notes can you write on a staff?
Line notes and space notes.
Mm-hmm. And how many directions can music move on the staff?
Up, down, or repeat.
That is perfect. You may give me a high five. 100%. Good job. Thumbs up for the staff. You want to push the square to stop? See the square right there?